guys, welcome to Yamina's Kitchen. Today we're making chicken afritada. And for this, we need ground black pepper, salt, onion, tomato, garlic, sugar, chicken, potatoes, carrots, bell pepper and mushroom, and crushed tomatoes. Start by sauteing your onion, tomatoes, and garlic. Then add in your chicken. Saute until the meat is a little bit brown. Then add in your potatoes. Then add some water. And add salt and pepper to taste. And crushed tomatoes. Add in some sugar. And simmer on low heat until the potatoes are done. Then add in carrots and mushrooms. Simmer again until the carrots are done. And lastly, you can add your bell pepper. And there it is, guys, chicken afritada. Enjoy! And if you do enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!